Hi, I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary, and I am here on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread man for Christmas. So, 1 hour has passed, so let's take out our dough from the fridge. Okay. Lovely smell. Let's take it out. Oops, that's beautiful. Good. Now, let's halve it, because we are going to make 2 different things from it. It's going to be very good because it's quite hard. Okay, you can easily break it in half. Lovely. Okay, leave one side here and we put the other one back to have a little bit more rest. I cover it again and put it back into the fridge.